how to change music in Instagram post. So if you want to change music in Instagram post, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. And from your profile, you need to just simply go with your post. Once you have your Instagram post, you need to tap on it and then go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. Now here you need to go with edit. Once you tap on edit, as you can see that you will have an option of add audio. So you need to just simply tap on add audio and then add your audio. But if you already have added an audio, or if you already have a music, then you'll be able to change that music within 1 week of posting. But after that, you won't be able to change it. So just simply go and select any song that you're comfortable with. Go with the arrow, which will be on the bottom. Select the seconds and then go with the tick, which will be on the top. And then go with the tick again. And now your music has been added. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.